I was motivated to apply for the Boimangu Mātauranga Māori Scholarship because I thought that the kaupapa was so amazing.
I applied for one scholarship, and it was because I felt that it was connected with my passion. I saw that I'm at a space now in my career that I can actually add to that. The process was easy. Once I got that into my head and I started to recognise that I was deserving and I could apply.
Once you sit down and you think about your life, what you've done, where you're at and where you want to be, it's not hard. Yeah, it kind of just flows, it comes to you and flows.
There's something quite special about having other people standing behind you going, yeah, we believe in your vision and we're actually going to awhi that vision. So that for me is what it means to me, that people are prepared to put their money where their mouth is on me to deliver that. So that's actually huge.
The scholarships had a huge impact in my life because I am doing 2 degrees, well, I'm doing 1 degree in nursing and I want to take this through to level 7 as well. When I received the scholarship, I thought there are people actually that believe in me and that believe in what I want to achieve. And that has given me a huge boost of motivation to just keep going and seeing things through to the end.
If you're wanting to apply for a scholarship or you're thinking about applying for a scholarship, especially with Te Wānanga, just go for it. Just put all your cards on the table and just get out there and just give it a go.
Definitely go for it because it takes off a lot of pressure of the other things that go on while studying. And reach out to your kaiako or your classmates if you need support around that.
In the future, I am looking forward to using my reo with my nursing degree to provide a more comfortable environment for our people.
Now that I've got the scholarship, I'm mostly looking forward to having the extra support with obviously the study costs and being able to get into work soon and put some of my teachings into action.